Scott here. I want to show this plastic razor blade set that I was sent to provide my feedback. So we'll go ahead and take it out of the package here. So got this out of the box that I was sent to provide my feedback. So a couple cool features about this. So here you got this protective cover here to protect yourself from the sharp razor blade. So you pull that off, and then this comes with the blade to where the blade is inside the handle here. And then what's cool is to extend the handle, you can put this on top when you're done. Gives you a little bit more length on the handle. And then to get the razor blade out, you just lift up a little bit and then it slides out and you can turn it over to the blade side. These are plastic. And then to get it in, you just slide it in like that. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to take this piece here and make sure your nut is on this side, and you'll tighten this to help hold the razor blade in, and then you got your blade side out there and you can start scraping stuff. It does have kind of basically looks like a silicone handle, help you grip it, and like I said, you can extend it that way. You got a hole here if you want to tie some string to hang it to something. And then here's your bag of your extra plastic razor blades, which I'll show you real quick. So these are all plastic, as you can see right there, flat. And then here's some other scraper tools if you'd want to use them. So this has got a point here, and then kind of another flat point on the end here, little hook. Here's another one, as you can see there. And then this has got a little hook here if you would need it for something. And then that in there. So kind of a neat little plastic razor blade set if you're looking for something like that you want to use around the house or in a shop or something like that. But just wanted to show you this real quick that I was sent to provide my feedback.